My goal was to make a Hangman, except it was in total, and my goal is to make a Hangman game, except it's in total. That's getting hung because it's in total for the program. I use Python for the coding and total for the graphics. So right now this is the functions for essentially. This is the lower one. This part where my mouse hovering over that is for when you get it wrong, and it will print post the total in total. And this is if you get it true, and it essentially basically makes it that way each row you guess that letter is ripped off, so that way there's only so many letters to guess. And then this right here, this is a function for a total, or the part of the total, that's the hat. So I test this about 100 times for the purpose of checking the code's functions. If I were to rethink this, I'd make the UI more easier to work with if I had more time. And now we get to play Hang Total. Okay, so it says make a guess, and it's drawing the hanging post. So I'm gonna make a random guess of A. I did this as random memes for the time that is. So it was incorrect, so it's drawing a head for the total. So I have to wait for it to finish. Draws slowly. Okay, I can make another guess. I'm gonna try E. Okay, I got that right. I'm gonna try W. Okay, so W was incorrect. So now it's drawing the shell. Okay. So I'm gonna try I, and that was also incorrect. I'm gonna try O, and so that was correct. So something else I could try. I'll try S, which is correct. So surprisingly, I forgot what this one would be. I had a good amount down, but then I changed them.
Maybe you can ask us to guess.
Okay. Any of you guys have guesses? Yeah.
T.
That was incorrect.
So I suck.
Yeah, that's what it says. Any other guesses? Yeah?
Q.
Okay.
Q.
Unlikely, but okay.
U.
U? Was that your guess?
No.
Oh, okay. U. We'll try U. Oh, I accidentally put it wrong, so we'll just wait for that. You will actually try that.
Fire pods.
No, because I was incorrect, so that couldn't happen. Any other final guesses?
The word then. Underscore.
Underscore, okay. That was incorrect.
M.
Well, still gotta wait for it.
SpongeBob.
Dude.
Okay, so this is the final one. So your guess was SpongeBob. So S, O, and E were correct. So I have good hopes. So let's try P. That was correct. O, N. Oh wait, no. Oh. So I basically so what happened was it was incorrect, but because it thought I won and it restored. So I'll restart it, and then we can try seeing. So that was the full total because we got them all incorrect. But if we got them all correct, it would have reset. So I'll run it again.
Really up.
N A L D T
R U M P.
U M. We already have them.
P.
D. Yep. Okay, so it restored because we got it right. So let's go.
We is amazing.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.